A former daycare worker at Sweet Angels in North Tonawanda was arraigned this morning for 3 counts of child endangerment. Back in June, parents voiced their shock and concern when the daycare closed due to allegations of physical punishment and failing to notify the state of maltreatment. This closure followed a series of allegations against Sweet Angels. Our I-team learning last December that 3 daycare employees at the center in Newfane were charged with endangering the welfare of a child. Today's arraignment led me back to 2 parents whose children attended the North Tonawanda Center. They voiced they are glad to see consequences as they joined 2 other families filing a lawsuit against the daycare center. John and Samantha sent their twin boys to Sweet Angels Daycare in North Tonawanda about 2 years ago.
We really liked it there, at first. We didn't find out that anything was going on. We had no inkling that anything was happening until we received a CPS letter in the mail.
Shortly after receiving that letter in May, their time abruptly ended. The New York State Office of Children and Family Services shut down the facility for multiple violations. North Tonawanda Police Chief Keith Glass told me at that time his department was investigating the daycare. Samantha and John say their boys endured mental and verbal abuse while there.
We didn't realize until after, looking back, why he was so fearful of going to the bathroom, because they were being locked in the bathroom.
Like, we're in trauma therapy with them right now, every other week.
Now, one of the employees at the former Erie Avenue daycare was arrested and charged on Tuesday. Chief Glass confirmed with me that Savannah Huntington was charged with 3 counts of endangering the welfare of a child. He says she turned herself in.
Relief that it finally happened. Yeah. Disappointment that it took so long.
This is the latest in a string of issues involving Sweet Angels Daycare. Last year, state police arrested 3 employees who worked at the Newfane facility on charges of endangering the welfare of a child. State police said the charges stemmed from a complaint about possible abusive treatment. The Newfane facility then shut down.
I'm happy that finally, things are moving in the right direction. It took way too long to get
Longer
there.
than it should have.
Now, John and Samantha have filed a lawsuit against Sweet Angels, as well as 2 other parents claiming their children suffered harm at the daycare.
Therapies, the anger, frustration, just everything.
Yeah.
It's been a rough summer.
Meantime, John and Samantha are fighting for their boys and hope that something like this never happens again.
Be an advocate for your kids. I'm not going to give up until we finish this civil suit.
Yep.
And I did reach out to attorney Frank Latempio, who was representing the daycare and Huntington. He said in a statement, "We appeared for arraignment today in North Tonawanda City Court on 3 misdemeanor charges of endangering the welfare of a child. After reading the allegations and conducting our investigation, we believe that there are both factual and legal defenses to these charges, and we will be bringing the appropriate motions in the near future."